YouTube, Facebook, Rumble, our excellent friends. We're out here at the range. It's the middle of the night, New Year's Eve. By the way, to all of our excellent friends, subscribers and family, Happy New Year. We got the Torpedo Revolver, 50 caliber self-defense pistol. We got a Firebird 50 BOG, BIO, down there at range. At Target, we got some brand new, I don't know what grains they are. I forget, they said it on the package, and 1.5 grams. Steel tip darts. We'll see if we can hit this Firebird, set off the new year. Let's get her done. There we go. Ready, Christy?
Yep.
Alright. I better pressurize the gun. Show everybody this. Pressurized. Safety off. And here we go. Happy New Year's, guys. Didn't hit it. Take one round. Happy New Year.
Holy.
Happy New Year.
Holy shit. Oh my God.
This is your boy Brian coming at you from our ranch AGFC. Saying God bless you. Happy New Year. Until next year, you know what I like to say. Have a great day.